Ever tried to change someone's mind and hit a wall? There's a reason why logic alone rarely works. Your brain has a built-in system that resists new information. It's called the backfire effect, and understanding it changes everything. When you challenge someone's beliefs directly, their brain activates the same regions used for physical threats. You're not just debating, you're triggering defense mode. Studies show that when people feel attacked, they double down on their original position. The harder you push, the deeper they dig in. Think about the last time someone told you that you were wrong. Did you immediately agree? Or did you feel the urge to defend yourself? Subscribe to Psychology 106 to uncover how your mind works. Let's keep going. So, if direct confrontation doesn't work, what does? The answer lies in understanding how beliefs are actually formed. Your beliefs aren't just ideas, they're woven into your identity, connected to your values, experiences, and emotional memory. Here's what makes this fascinating. People don't change their minds through logic alone, they change through curiosity and self-discovery. Instead of saying, "You're wrong," try asking genuine questions. What led you to that conclusion? Have you considered this perspective? Questions activate different neural pathways. They invite exploration rather than triggering defense. The brain shifts from threat mode to curiosity mode. Understanding this pattern is the first step to more effective communication. You're not manipulating, you're creating space for genuine dialogue. Another powerful approach? Validate their feelings first. I understand why you see it that way. Disarms the defensive response. When people feel heard and respected, their brain relaxes, the amygdala calms down, and the prefrontal cortex, where reasoning happens, comes back online. Join Psychology 106 for weekly insights into thought, emotion, and behavior. There's more to explore. This is where it connects to something even more important, your own flexibility of mind. How open are you to changing your own beliefs? The same mechanisms that make others resistant affect you too. Recognizing your own resistance is a sign of self-awareness. It's not weakness, it's the beginning of intellectual humility. Here's the paradox: the less you need to be right, the more influential you become. People trust those who can say, "I don't know," or "I changed my mind." Try this. Instead of arguing facts, share your personal journey. I used to think X, but when I learned Y, my perspective shifted. Stories bypass logical defenses. They create empathy and allow people to imagine alternative perspectives without feeling threatened. This works in relationships, at work, even in online discussions. The method stays the same: curiosity over confrontation. Notice how you feel when someone genuinely asks about your viewpoint versus when they're just waiting to respond. That feeling is what you want to create. Changing minds isn't about winning arguments, it's about planting seeds of curiosity and letting people discover new perspectives themselves. Psychologists call this the Elaboration likelihood model. People are more persuaded by information they actively process than information forced upon them. You have more influence than you realize, not through force, but through creating psychological safety and genuine connection. Recognizing these patterns gives you power, not to manipulate, but to communicate with wisdom and compassion. Think about one conversation where you could apply this approach. What questions could you ask? How could you create curiosity instead of conflict? The mind resists change when pushed, but embraces growth when invited. That's the difference between force and influence. Before you go, subscribe. Comment your thoughts and watch the next video to understand another part of your mind. Your awareness is growing.